All right, team. Quick thing, let me download the AnyAUT Excel test case. Where would that link be? Let me see. I think I'll find it here. Stability pools, Skype group. Okay, there we go. And I can just download it. I'm going to download this, and I see only one hand raised, team, of one of the members who I believe is working on it. What is happening to the others? We also, I think Friday it was pretty easy for us to get going. Okay, so let's look at it, but first let me download this. It's a 400 MB file, team. It is also because you have the latest drivers and so on. So making sure that we all download the latest and we can work on those Excels. Now while we're doing that, there is a new Skype group that we have formed for a project. So if anyone of you in the JPACT project, contact me, please. Skype group for Excel demos. So when we're preparing any demo Excels, I would want to prepare there. So that Skype group, let me see if I can. Okay, Kiranmay, I'm going for you for any technical questions that you may have to begin with, and then anyone else after that, please let me know. Okay, Excel demos.
Can you see it?
Hi, 1 second, please. Share this group, copy link to clipboard, and yes, please. I'm on your machine now. Yes, I can see it.
Okay. So I tried to execute the one that followed your instructions and did this, but I'm not able to test it. It's just closing.
Yeah. So this is where we will start to do debugging team and understand what is going right and wrong. So expand when full screen this Excel, please. We'll go sheet by sheet. Make sure everything is intact. So the first sheet is actually application under test. If you scroll to the left of it, modules, you'll further be able to see. Click on those 3 dots there to the left of modules. On the bottom left, Excel sheet where you see modules, test cases.
Okay.
Your Excel sheet names. On the left side, please.
Yeah, this is the left side.
No, where is your modules sheet name, please? To the left of modules, you see those 3 dots?
Oh, okay.
There we go. Okay, team. So not always does your Excel tell you that, oh, there are no more sheets. We have to be very, very smart because we are QA engineers, so we need to look at it. Perfect. So we have linkedin.com. That is what we mentioned. Now let's look at our modules, please. So user admin is the one module you're making, saying demo. People, whatever you're leaving as blank, just keep a hyphen, please.
Okay.
The reason is, even if there's an issue, just put a hyphen. Even on C3 and C4. Enter. After you put a hyphen, always enter it. Finish it. We don't have to wait. Why did you go to test cases, please?
Oh, sorry.
And team C, that is the problem. Did you notice what is happening? If you do not finish one task correctly, we move on now. It will keep on doing. So delete that. It is so when you put minus, it will thinking it's a formula.
Yeah.
As soon as minus, finish that. Hit the enter key and come out of the field, please. Delete all of that. Hit the minus key. No underscore. Why? What are you doing, please? Just a regular minus. Enter. Return. That's it. Done.
Yes.
Okay. So the same for any blank field. And you can copy it also if you want.
Okay, got it.
Good. Now let us move on to the next sheet. Team, are you all observing? I am not jumping onto the sheets. I am going from one sheet after the other, one cell after the other. Why? Because we are debugging right now. Especially during debugging, it becomes important. Okay. M01 underscore user admin. Let me see the module ID in module sheet again. So can you take your mouse to cell B2, B for boy 2?
Cell B2. Okay.
Yes, perfect. So that is M01 underscore user admin. Good. Now let's go to test cases. And here I see M01 underscore user admin. Good or not, team? Madhuri, good or not?
I see what I did. I didn't put the capital A.
So if it does not, it is very case sensitive, team. Even small corrections here and there, it will throw it away into the garbage bin. Unless you do such amount of clear looking, it will be a problem. So what does that mean? At every step of you creating this Excels or any automation, you have to be very conscious and cautious. So yes, let's change it here then. Good that you could, as soon as see it, find the difference. They don't seem to be the same thing. And you could easily say that, you know what, they're not so good. Now let us continue to see what else is there before we go on. Okay. So I have one test case for execution, TC01 underscore login incorrect and TD01 underscore incorrect user. Okay, let's see that test case now. I really appreciate the fact that you're writing these steps, team. I'm looking at who's going next after Madhuri to show me, please, as your progress at your end. I really want to see. Okay. Sorry. Yes, explain this to me, please, Madhuri.
This is Kiran, my
Oh,
cousin.
sorry. Kiran, go ahead, please. Kiran, go ahead, please.
Yeah. What do you want me to do? Sorry.
So your current test case, what is it doing?
It has to first open the browser and then go to the LinkedIn screen, I guess, and then try to log in with the credentials that the username and password, the junk username and junk password.
Okay. Is this the same one that we created last time?
Yes, it's the same one.
But did I do it for LinkedIn or was it for a different application?
It was for LinkedIn.
Or even I was doing it for LinkedIn, is it?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now you replicated the same.
Yes.
Very good. Now, let's see your test data, please. I see that one-time use, everything is here, one-time use. So if everything goes correct, then it should work. Look at the test data.
Oh. Okay. I didn't change the URL here.
Yes, we have to make sure everything is changed here. But the way that is not getting used, go back to your test steps. The column J and K, test data type and test data, it says everything is one time use. So only if it is reusable, it will go and get the data from the other one, test data sheet. So it is not using the test data sheet per se. So that's fine. Try and run this now.
Sure. I need to close this, right?
Yes, please save it and close it. I'm assuming everything else is correct. So let's close it. So team, please note all that you're doing has got nothing to do with learning any skills so far. It is just running an application, writing in Excel, executing it.
Yeah, see, it just disappeared. The Excel view, it just disappeared.
Okay. Sure. So go to results, please. And here it should be able to create a folder if everything is going well. Is there a folder that is created right now?
Yeah,
Second.
this one.
That, yeah, open that.
You want me to?
File, report.html, yes.
Sorry.
Open the browser. Click on that open browser. So it knew what to run, which is correct. So here is where maybe our Chrome version and this version are not correct.
Oh.
So we have to do a couple of things here. So everyone follow this. This is also getting recorded. You can watch it later. So Kiran, you see those, to look at the version of this Google, this Chrome. So if you go to those three dots on your Chrome browser on the top right, go to meeting is coming between, just remove it, slide it and drag it somewhere. No, resize that window. Click on those three dots on the top right below the cross. Top right of the window below the cross. Yes, please. Here, go to help, almost towards the bottom. About Google Chrome. So it says it's version 80. Okay. Oh, now team, go to selenium.dev, the website for Selenium. Yeah, selenium.dev. And let's go to downloads here. The top in the menu bar, you'll see downloads. Yes. Great. Now come down, please. So what are we looking at?
Google Chrome.
Chrome, yeah. Go up slowly. Keep going up. Keep going up.
That's it.
Come down, please. You know what? It's no, they're not putting it here. Just go to Google and search for Chrome driver download. Search for Chrome driver download. Yeah. That option. First one. Yeah. So let's go to Chromium website. Yeah. Click on that, please.
This one?
Oh, the one about downloads. It'll take you there. Okay. So now, see, here is where you'll see which version of Chrome you can use for which version. So you are in version 80. Current, go up, please. On downloads, current releases. Above that, yeah. Second bullet.
This one.
Yes. So if you have 81, get 81. Download the third Win32 zip. You're on Windows platform, correct? And that will run for 32 and 64. Give me 1 second, team. I'll grab some water. Now this Chrome driver should get replaced in where AnyAUT is. Give me a second. Okay, sorry, I'm back. All right, you have this. Huh? So open the Windows Explorer, please, where AnyAUT is installed.
Windows.
Not Internet Explorer, Windows Explorer. Yep. So go up in this to the main folder. Yes. So go to browsers. And this is where all the drivers are there, team. So if you're on Linux, Mac, and so on, the specific ones. So for Windows, here is the Chrome driver that we have. Now this could be an old version. We need to replace this with the latest one. Don't double click it. You can close this window. Now this could be possible reason why your application is not getting launched. So wherever you downloaded that zipped version, can you drag and drop that here and overwrite this file?
Okay. Should I just drop it in the documents?
No, just unzip it. I just want that one. Just extract here. Click on that. It just came up. Where is it? Oh, it's there below that. No. Get me that file. You have to drag and drop. If I had two Windows Explorer, I'll put one after the other. I would drag drop. Or you would say extract it here and say copy. Yes, please click on it.
Mhm.
Okay, you know what? Why are you complicating it so much? And team, just very general thing. I'm letting you all know very upfront that we expect a lot of these things. Everyone, okay? We expect to see all of this from you. And no one in the IT industry will be able to help us out. Okay, can I get the control of your mouse?
I did.
Yeah, why are we struggling so much about it? I have one Windows Explorer here to look at my files. I keep it here in one size, so I can easily see the other size. Okay, now where is my other thing? So now keep on, say this is coming. Who will watch these pop-ups? Let us say what is coming up for us. And we have to keep an eye. So that is why it's not going to the directory. Now, where is the other one? So you want this, correct? So you open one more. What's wrong in it? Can't we open two when we want to be able to move files from one to the other team? Yes, so I know where I want to move from what to what. I'll keep the right here, left here. What happened? Okay, done. Now, where is that file? It's in downloads. I know that file will come up here. Okay, good. Now, where do I want to move it into? Into this AnyAUT Excel, browsers, Win, and I want to put it here. Old one is there. I want new one also here. Okay, fair enough. How do I do it? I will double click and open it, for example. Now close this. I don't need that pop-up. If I just put this, there is this file here, correct? Chrome driver.exe. Just drag and drop it here. And I'll just replace the file that is there in this destination. Now someone is running, again we're running this Chrome driver. So task manager. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see Chrome driver. Give me a team. I'm working on it. I'm not able to go down on this. Can you scroll down on the task manager? Unable to see, please. Can you kill those few command ones? Chrome driver, just right click on them and task.
All of this?
All of them. Because each time you try to run your AnyAUT application, it was trying to launch this, but it was not working. So now we want to replace it with the latest one. And now just let me minimize this. I may need the task manager again. So I'll just minimize this. Let go of your mouse now. So here, can you let go of the mouse? Do I have control?
I did.
No, I don't have control. I'm sorry. Can you come to the pop-up, please? I'm not able to see anything. Okay, there we go. Now say continue. So now it's done, because if the file is open, you can never write onto a file. So I had to close that file and make sure then I could overwrite. Now what we did, can you close this task manager for me, please? It is not closing. Not end task. Don't click on end task.
Should I just close it? Okay.
Just close the window. Okay, now you have updated your Chrome driver. Whenever your browsers go through changes, you must have to update them. Depending on your operating system and your browser, you will use that specific driver. Okay. So now hopefully works. Let us go back and try once again, please.
Sure.
Correct. Practice this because it's all about how we're running an application. Demo is there, right? Demo.xls. Okay, that's fine. Let's select it. Go back. Keep going. Keep doing correct.
Oh.
Yeah, that's good. Open. So one you selected, and let's execute. So if it works fine, it will launch up the browser now. So there you go.
Yeah.
So primarily there are two changes that have happened. One was a change in the Excel sheet that was also necessary. The second, to get the latest Chrome driver, which is corresponding to our version team. And the same we will need to do for every one of us. Is it executing it now after that? It
I
seems
think
to.
I need to make one more change, I guess. I didn't do the second one that you suggested in the class because it wasn't opening at all. So,
Oh, okay. All right, no problem. I'm glad that even without video, you're able to team come up with this. I'm not sending you all of these Excel sheets. You're able to build them. Looking at it. Good. It's a
thank
very
you.
basic skill that we're developing right now. Sure. Thank you so much, Kiran. Who's going next? I would want to see the same outputs from the other team members as well. If you can show me what you're doing on AnyAUT in terms of execution, that's sufficient for now. Why team? Why no one is showing any kind of a progress? Is it that I'm not giving you very structured assignments? If I give you structured assignments, maybe you'll come up with it, correct? Because if you're such a silent group, it'll be hard for me to even say what you're learning, what direction you're going. Yeah, I'm seeing this class is a little slow, and I'm fine with it, team, as long as I get the groove of it. So do me a favor, till day 9, catch up, whatever we did till that session. Just the basics of it, get things going, team. We still have to do code Java, Selenium WebDriver, and so on. We should be very comfortable with this before we can get there, everyone. Okay, and this is exactly how we want you to approach in terms of updating your Chrome driver. So please do that and let me know at your end. Anyone else? So team, then I will see you on Friday, not Friday, on Wednesday. Tuesday, I'm not doing a session. And I'll start off with Code Java then if that's the case. Team, yes, you need to create the Excel sheet. The minimum I expect you all to do is recreate whatever I'm showing you in the class. So, like how Kiranmai was doing, I would appreciate if you're able to do the same. So now I just, I do have, good. And LinkedIn underscore demo underscore data. See, this is what I was working on yesterday, correct? Let's see. What is underscore data? Usernames and passwords. We're going one through the other. I think we'll do a few more here. Then only we'll go to Java. Can you all come to this level at least, please? Then we can finish it another session. So see, what we did was parameterize test data and so on. So LinkedIn underscore demo did not have anything parameterized. LinkedIn underscore demo underscore data, I'm saying test data here is parameterized. And I put that there. I can also have something like a VURL and JPACT. Maybe this will right. So you write it in place. URL and test steps. That's my URL. That's my URL. That's my. So you're kind of parameterizing everything. And there are 3 frameworks that we will talk about if you come here tomorrow. It's easy for me to talk about it. Data driven, keyword driven, and page object model or page factory. How we are achieving the same using AnyAUT Excel. So this is with data. The 3 test cases: login incorrect, login incorrect 2, login incorrect 3. We have all 3 executed for yes, correct. And there is incorrect user. I didn't say which browser, everywhere I go gave it as Chrome, correct? Now see what I can do. I can change the set of test data. I'll change, actually I'll show you that later. I'll not change that right away. Just making subtle changes to the previous one itself. Saving this and let us execute. My Chrome version would be something interesting for us to look at. So it's already out of this, so to help about Google Chrome. 79 versions. It's high time that I upgrade. Let's upgrade. I should be able to do it. What's my execution happening? Okay. Okay, no, it didn't start. Need to select which one. Now this is this. I think I'll come up with version 0.3 tomorrow. 1.03. Okay, demo underscore data, and the primary change for us is we've parameterized our test data. And yes, team, you can do it on any website. Yeah, all the videos are on YouTube. So far, I think Pavan was making them private and so on. I went and made them back public. Just check on that once, please. They are on the YouTube channel. So execution is happening, team. At least I see something coming up. It's not going, but it came up at least. And that's where we will get into debugging. What's this doing? It's not going to the application itself. So definitely look at what's going wrong here. Test incorrect user, test steps. One-time use, VURL, test data, VURL. This is correct. So what's wrong with it? I need to take a look at what it's doing wrong. I have a URL. And it's opening up one more now. That's interesting. This should not be doing, right? So let's look at it tomorrow, team, as to what is happening. Because of both Python and JPACT, we're doing shorter sessions. But I want you all to practice the same. Look at the sheets, see what's going right, wrong, and let me know. I will move this sheet also into our group, JPACT. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. We'll see you back tomorrow. Oh, sorry, you're right. So who is this? Did I write it as one-time use? That will be strange. You're right. How did I do that? This is demo, not here. Demo underscore data. There we go. See, this is reusable element. Here I wrote it as one-time use. No. If it is one-time use, then you will have to put the actual value. If it is reusable, then only will it go into the other sheet. Good catch, Maitri. Now let's try and re-execute this with the updated changes. Team, I have to also finish Python session. So I'll quickly finish this and get on with the session. So let's hope that this execution runs. All we did is we made it from one-time use to complete. Brian, can you take it please yourself? Google Docs link. I cannot email it separately. Or I'll put it in the Skype group. I'll put the links in the Skype group. So execution, let's see, team. Still not doing, is it? I don't know if I did anything correct. I'm in a hurry for the other sessions. I'll see you tomorrow. Please come prepared with whatever you can about it so far. Bye all. Thank you so much. Take care. Not tomorrow, team. See you on Wednesday. Tomorrow I'm out. Bye.